What you do with your life? Get your education, boy. Subscribe to A's Online.
Alright, welcome back everyone to A's Online Virtual Classroom, and we're here for another mathematics tip of the day presented by A's Online Tutoring Services. Exam success at your fingertips. So thanks for joining me once again. We are here to help you and all your friends get your education. So as we continue to prepare for exams, make sure and hit subscribe and check out all our content right here on YouTube on our Get Your Education channel, as we continue to bring these videos to ensure you and as many people as possible are fully prepared for upcoming exams. So if you know anyone who is preparing for SCA 2021, be sure to have them check out our SCA Today playlist series, which is a daily online series doing practice tests covering mathematics, English language, and creative writing. So anyone preparing for SCA can follow along for free right here on YouTube on our Get Your Education channel. And today, for our mathematics tip, to get back to what we're doing today, we want to take a look at division of integers. And this will just complete our coverage of how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers. Last week we looked at subtraction and division. The week before that we looked at addition. So I'll link those videos to the end of the I'll link the entire playlist to the end of this video, so you can check out all our previous mathematics tips over the past few weeks. So today we're going to go straight to the smartboard to look at the tip for today. And so when we're dealing with the division of integers, now we saw last time and the first time we started looking at integers, that integers are positive or negative whole numbers. So when it comes to dividing these integers, similar to multiplication, when the signs are the same, the result of the division is positive. So let's get some examples of that. If it is we had 16, positive 16 divided by positive 4. Normally we don't write the positive sign for positive numbers, so you'll just see 16 divided by 4, and this is a normal division that we're familiar with. Answer is 4, and it's a positive 4. Signs are the same, positive answer. Even if it is we have negative 20 divided by negative 5. If I work it out, many times it's easiest to see it as a fraction form, and we will be familiar with reducing fractions and crossing off certain parts of the fraction. So I look at it as the negative and the negative cancels off each other, and then you divide the numbers like normal. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 20 is 4. So you end up getting 4 over 1, which is whole number 4, and that's a positive. So the signs are the same in both the 20 and the 5. They're both negative, but the result in the end is a positive number. And when it comes to when the signs are different, so if we have a positive and a negative, or negative and a positive, so I'll show you it with a number like 11, positive 11 divided by negative 4. Right? So it don't only work with factors or multiples. We can do this division, 11 divided by 4. We can do it by divide by 4 like normal. 4 into 11 is 2. 4 2s are 8. So we're going to get a remainder here. So our answer, positive number divided by a negative number, the result is negative 2, remainder 3 over 4. So once we're dividing and the signs are different, make sure and put back a negative sign in your answer. No matter how big or small the numbers are. If it is, we have, I don't know, 18 divided by 3. Let's say negative 18 divided by 3. This is one we could do as a fraction. Negative 18 over 3. This could reduce. 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 6. 3 into 18, sorry, is 6. So if you notice, there was no negative sign here to cancel off as we did over here. So they remain with a negative sign in your answer. So the answer will be negative 6. So once your signs are different, you'll get a negative answer in division as well as in multiplication. Alright, and that's it. You can practice these with your calculator, you can practice these without a calculator, you can check back what I did today and make sure I have the correct answers. So all together, when it comes to the basic functions of mathematics and integers, we can say that when you're adding, first thing we saw not first week, 2 weeks ago, add and use the same sign as before. So when the signs are the same, you add up the numbers and you use the same sign that it had before. When the signs are different, you subtract the numbers and use the sign of the larger number. This is a nice little summary here. Subtraction of integers. Now, only when you're subtracting a negative number, so you have take away negative 4, for example, it changes the number to a positive. So if we do have take away negative 4, that actually changes to plus 4. Alright, so that's the only difference from addition to subtraction. And then when you're looking at the multiplication and division, as we just saw with the division, when the signs are the same, you get a positive answer. When the signs are different, you get a negative answer. Alright, so this is our full summary with integers. Next week, we're going to move on to a different topic altogether and start looking at the foundations of those different areas. Alright, so that's it for today. That's our full mathematics tip for today. I really want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done it as yet, make sure and hit the subscribe button, because these tips are going to be coming on a weekly basis. And as exams keep getting pushed back, we just want to make sure we have as many things covered before, so that we're fully prepared. Alright, so thanks for joining me today. We are on a mission to help you get your education. So hit subscribe, like, share all our videos, and I will see you next week for another mathematics tip of the day.
What you do with your life? Get your education, boy. Subscribe to